Welcome back friends in our channel Art Live with Mohammad Shehzad. Today we are going to make the multicolor cooling cup, tea cup or decoration cup, you can see. For that we need 20 mm dia, 1 cup, glue and cooling tool. First of all friends, we need the bottom of 50 mm round, and then we will start from the white. We need 150 mm strip of white. We have to make the tight roll with this. Put the glue. We need 3 different color in a same size of the white one. We need the white here, and we have to use in the blue one middle. We are using for this cup, we will use the yellow, okay, same size, and also the topper one yellow, we have to put the blue one there. And the next step, we have to use the comb with a 150 mm blue strip and 150 mm orange strip. We have to use the comb for this one. Just step by step have to remove from that side and make the pattern. Next step we already done, the orange one. Now we need 150 mm. Here we use blue, and for new cup we have to use the green one. 150 mm strip, put in the die of 15 mm, 20 mm, and press both sides. Make the shape of a leaf or petal, you can see. And here we have to put the one we already made, 150 mm strip yellow, we have to put in the middle here. You can see we done it, the pattern. Next step, 150 mm white and 150 mm blue we are using here. Here we use already 150 mm white and red, 150 mm. Use the tight roll and make the use the cooling tool and make the tight roll around or coil shape of both color. You can see we're done. The last step, the second last step, because the last one we already made with the 150 mm. 150 mm orange strip we are using here, and make the use the cooling tool and put in the die of 20 mm round shape. And here you have to make the shape of petal, or you can say eye drop here, the last one. And the end we have to use the 150 mm strip. And this one, the handle of the cup, we use 2 yellow strips and 1 brown strip, 290 mm, and make it the tight roll coil shape. And you can use it, just make the round and shape it. Okay friends, so now I will tell you the quantity, what quantity we need. I keep here and you can see. So friends, we got our stuff. We need round shape of 50 mm, 1 handle that I already told, 31 white, 23 all others, and we keep the sample with us. And 1 cup we need to put here on the top and start to putting the stuff on the shape of cup. So let's get started, friends. We will start everything here now. So finally, friends, we complete our today project, which is the tea cup with multicolor cooling strips, and both of them the same. We did same strategy, same work, and I hope you like our video, friends, and you learn lots of things. If you like our video, please comment below the video, share the video, subscribe our channel, and press the bell icon that can give it to you the notification whenever we upload our new videos. So until next video, friends, stay blessed. Allah Hafiz.